The things that happen in the space really are magical. And so we needed to really update the space, make it feel more inviting, more welcoming, more aligned with our organizational values and culture. When we were evaluating partners for this really historic project here at Curative Connection, Miron really was for us a part of an historic moment, and we could not have asked for a better partner.
We decided on Miron just because I felt they did a lot more research in what Curative did as an agency regarding our clients and our mission here. They came in thinking about our clients, talking about our clients, how they felt they could phase this project into 3 different phases and that we would not lose any time.
We were fully operational during the whole project, and in order to be committed to our clients that way and not miss one day of services while we had such a huge project going on was a big undertaking, and mostly because Miron was willing to communicate with us openly every single day.
So the project team and the Curative Connections team really worked as one on this project, and you hear some of the stories about, since this was a phased project, 3 major phases, there was a ton of interfacing between us and sometimes the clients.
The project team that was on site here and the relationship that they built with our staff and our clients happened really quickly, and it was neat to see our staff and clients engage with the team that was on site and have those personal conversations about the weekend or different kinds of things like that. It was neat to see people make connections like that.
I just am warmed every time I think about Miron staff going out of their way to make it possible to engage with our clients. I can't imagine us choosing another partner down the road than Miron, just based on that historic experience we've had with them for this Rising Tide capital campaign renovation.